Let's deal with some business development. Who are your clients and what are your opportunities? Well, one of the biggest mistakes that I have seen in pilots getting into drone technology is that they are limited in their view of what they're looking at. So they only have a singular client. That means they've only identified one opportunity. And I've got to tell you, if you've only identified one opportunity, then your chances of success are not that great in the environment today. There's so many crossover businesses, and you need to get to know the colleagues that are also flying out there. If you can't develop the clients or the opportunities or see them, you might want to become a pilot for hire and work under somebody that will help you with the training and experience and help you develop the confidence that you need. Once you're ready to get started, you'll need to have a business plan because your messaging and consistency are essential. So they need to know, who are you? What kind of skills do you have? What training do you have? What experience do you have? What are your goals? That means, what's your mission? What's your mission statement? What is your vision? What is your appeal to the market? I'm just going to use my company, Drone Education Services. We are opening minds to drone technology. And our vision is to supply the best educational resources available on the market to everyone. And that's our appeal. So as you can see, we tried to incorporate that within our logo and also with what we state on our logo with our mission statement. If you're going to get in the business, do it right. Be professional. When you receive an assignment, make sure it's something that you can handle. And if it is not a typical type mission, then maybe have those colleagues that you can go out there and talk to and find out how to do those missions the correct way. You're going to have some examples of what your industry specific type work is. So if you've got that, you'll need to showcase that to your clients. And then you'll also have to have an ability to deliver the data that they're asking you to acquire. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to put together a demo reel. And what is a demo reel? It's showtime. It helps us to provide more. We've got to think outside the box. It showcases your skills, your knowledge, your ability, the equipment you have, your data retrieval systems, your production quality, your delivery of the material. Now, production, it's a big thing. That's where your demo reel can showcase you above the competition. Because just don't think that taking a drone up there and shooting a few pictures is actually where it is. You're going to have to take those pictures and post-produce those into something that's viable and usable. So showcase your best work. Because when you're getting started, you're not going to have that much work there. So try flying for your family, your friends, even fly for free. You're going to be putting that demo reel together, so recognize opportunities and be ready. You never know when you might run into an opportunity out there of something that's unique that you can film and might look good in a demo reel. And what does your client want to pay you for? They want to pay you to make themselves look good or be able to use that data in a viable resource.